this video, I am going to show you how to develop the login screen. Previously, I developed the register screen and I integrated the API. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch it first. In this video, I will focus on developing the login screen. You can see my Figma design for the login screen as an image. I downloaded that image and I added it to the assessed image folder. Then I added the image reference inside the image.ts file. Below the image there is sign in title text. First I add the image reference inside the image.ts. Below the image there is a sign in title text which I also added the screen. For the header component I already had a back button and progress bar. However, the login screen does not require the progress bar. Since I am using the same header component, I updated the header.txx to support the flag to show or hide the progress bar. I added the parameter called hide progress. If hide progress is true, the progress bar will hidden. If it is false, progress bar will be visible. This way I can reuse the same header component for both login and register screen. And ChatGPT generated the default structure for the login screen, but I updated it to match my Figma design. I added the quiz board text below the image and then added the email and password input fields. I reused the same input component that I created for the registration screen. In my Figma design there is remember me checkbox on the login screen. To add this, I need to install a separate checkbox library for Expo. The checkbox allows the user to save their login details, so they don't need to enter them again. ChatGPT provided a suitable structure and style for the checkbox and login screen, which I copy and paste into my project. I added the style in the same tsx file. I feel that the login screen now looks very good. I also want to add Google login, Facebook login and Apple login buttons. However, I am not implementing their functionality right now because that require third-party libraries. My main goal is this stage to complete the core functionality such as login and registration. So I added only UI buttons for social login without implementing their logic. I placed them below the sign in button. In my Figma design, these buttons are above the sign in button, but I placed them below instead. I am fine with this layout and I think looks better. I already developed the login API in an earlier video. Please watch that video if you haven't already. I integrated the login API in the same way I did the register screen. After login, we receiving the token. Storing this token in local storage can create security issue. So the question is, what is the best solution for securely handling token. We will ask ChatGPT about in the next step.